Breaking: cancer in under 50s has exploded by 300% since 1990, and your favorite snack could be fueling this epidemic. But today, we're exposing 7 shocking fruits that turn the tide. The number 3 fruit? It's hiding in your smoothie right now. Stay until the end. Number 7 will make you spit out your gum. Cancer cells are sugar vampires, sucking glucose 200x faster than healthy cells. This isn't a myth, it's the Wahlberg effect, and Big Food's processed carbs are their all-you-can-eat buffet. But here's the game changer: nature packed these 7 fruits with cancer-stomping superpowers. Let's destroy the enemy bite by bite. 1. Grapefruit, the medication-sabotaging secret agent. Grapefruit is a citrus powerhouse loaded with naringenin, a flavonoid that acts like a molecular saboteur against cancer cells. Research reveals naringenin disrupts cancer's growth signals, forcing abnormal cells into apoptosis, while its anti-inflammatory properties combat chronic inflammation, a known cancer catalyst. Pink grapefruit packs a double punch with lycopene, an antioxidant linked to reduced prostate and breast cancer risk in studies. However, grapefruit's potency comes with a caveat: it inhibits liver enzymes that metabolize 50+ medications, like statins, amplifying drug effects. Pro tip: pair grapefruit with olive oil in salads. The fat boosts lycopene absorption by 300%. Just half a grapefruit daily delivers benefits without spiking blood sugar. Before we reveal fruit number 2, guess which doctor-repelling snack has 300+ cancer fighters? Comment now. 2. Apples, the skin you're probably throwing away. An apple's true magic lies in its skin, which houses 300+ bioactive compounds like quercetin and triterpenoids. Cornell University found apple peel extract inhibits colon and breast cancer cells by blocking blood vessel growth to tumors. The skin's fiber, especially pectin, feeds gut bacteria that produce butyrate, a compound shown to slash colon cancer risk by 60% in clinical trials. Shocking fact: apple peel's antioxidants are 87% more concentrated than the flesh. Always opt for organic or wash thoroughly to avoid pesticide residues. Eat 1 to 2 apples daily, skin on, to harness their full cancer-fighting potential. 3. Kiwi, the fuzzy assassin you underestimated. This fuzzy fruit is a vitamin C titan, 2x more than oranges, and a stealthy cancer foe. Kiwis contain actinidin, an enzyme that breaks down proteins, improving absorption of anti-cancer nutrients like zinc and selenium. Their edible skin, often discarded, is a fiber bomb, 3 grams per kiwi, that scrubs toxins from the gut, reducing carcinogen exposure. Golden kiwis outshine green ones with 50% more polyphenols, compounds shown in lab studies to repair DNA damage. Pro hack: blend whole kiwis, skin included, into smoothies to mask the fuzz. Just 1 to 2 daily boosts immunity and gut health. 4. Watermelon, the seed you spit could save you. Beyond hydration, watermelon is a lycopene goldmine, 40% more per cup than tomatoes, with studies linking it to a 32% lower prostate cancer risk. Its seeds are unsung heroes, packed with zinc, critical for DNA repair, and magnesium, reduces inflammation. Citrulline in watermelon relaxes blood vessels, enhancing oxygen flow to starve tumors. Surprising tip: sprinkle chia seeds on watermelon, the healthy fats skyrocket lycopene absorption. Toast seeds for a crunchy snack rich in cancer-fighting minerals. Aim for 1 to 2 cups daily, and never spit the seeds. Would you eat watermelon seeds? Type yes or EW below. 5. Lemons, the cheap superhero in your junk drawer. The peel is the prize. Limonene, a compound in lemon zest, reduced breast tumor size by 22% in UCLA trials. Vitamin C neutralizes free radicals, while flavonoids like eriocitrin shield DNA from oxidative damage. A 2022 study found lemon ginger mixes slashed liver tumors in mice by 57%. Life hack: freeze whole lemons, then grate them into water or meals. The peel's limonene content triples when frozen. Daily lemon water alkalizes the body, creating a hostile environment for cancer cells. 6. Grapes, the boozy secret without the hangover. Dark grapes are resveratrol royalty, a compound so potent it's farmers' worst nightmare. Resveratrol starves tumors by blocking angiogenesis and activates sirtuins, proteins that repair DNA. The seeds are 90% of the benefit, containing proanthocyanidins that trigger cancer cell suicide. Fun fact: red wine has resveratrol, but grapes' fiber makes them superior. Eat 20 to 30 seeded grapes daily, or blend into smoothies for a chemo-preventive cocktail. 7. Bananas, the ripeness conspiracy. Green bananas are resistant starch rockets, feeding gut bacteria that produce butyrate, a short-chain fatty acid shown to cut colon cancer risk by 60%. As bananas ripen, starch turns to sugar, which cancer cells devour. Lectin in bananas binds to abnormal cells, blocking their growth. Pro tip: bake green bananas into fries or add to smoothies for a low-sugar, prebiotic boost. Eat 1 to 2 slightly green bananas daily to starve cancer and fuel your microbiome. Love this? Tap like, share to help others, and subscribe for more life-changing tips. Your support fuels our mission to fight cancer, one fruit at a time. This isn't just a video, it's a revolution. Be the hero your body deserves. See you in the comments.